आपने देखा होगा चेन्नई फ्लड में उनके टेलीफोन नंबर घूम रहे थे, they were the real heroes. People were so appreciative about them, and they would have given such good inputs that everybody would have been benefited. Then response capability and availability of NDRF and Central Armed Police Force Organization. Now, what happens is, NDRF is a very, very good force. I am really very impressed. I have worked for almost 3.5 years with them. Absolutely, you ring up their ops room, वो बंदा कोई वहाँ कांस्टेबल बैठा होगा या कोई इंस्पेक्टर बैठा होगा, he will tell you, sir, 6 टीम यहाँ पहुँच गई, इधर गई, आपके हवाई अड्डे पे बैठी है, या बाई रोड चली गई, या वो रेलवे से चली गई, या हमने अपनी गाड़ियों से भेज दिया है, and they will tell you each and every detail. So that is the kind of response which you want. And you ring up any NDRF, they will not ask you, you know, कहाँ है, क्यों है, इस टाइम क्यों आग लग गई. उसी कई बार होता है, करे कि सर ये चोरी हो गया, बोले यार इस इलाके में तो ये चोरी हो ही नहीं सकता. अरे यार वो कह रहा है तो मान लो उसको. So इनकी जो capabilities हैं, plus other, you know, armed police organizations, they should all work, you know, in synergy. There is no point, you know, having any kind of upmanship or. That's why you will see that one of the major responsibilities is जब भी हमारा कोई debrief session होता है, publicity कई बार वो कह देते हैं कि neither we are interested nor army's name should come. So we must, you know, utilize. Another point which in this we have written n number of letters even to NDMA, and there should be asset visibility. आपके पास क्या पड़ा है, आपके पास क्या पड़ा है, आपके पास क्या पड़ा है. Imagine in this city if everybody would have come with, you know, his own car. यहाँ जगह है. It is a good thing that some of you have pooled. Firstly, you know, it was economical. Secondly, it was comfortable. Thirdly, you know, आप बोर नहीं हुए. You know, you are talking to somebody, or somebody can drive for 4 hours, somebody can drive for. Plus, you are also helping the environment. So, if you have asset visibility, that I know कि आपके पास 100 रुपए पड़े, इनके पास 100 रुपए पड़े, at least I know it. But again, वहाँ भी मौन व्रत धारण किया हुआ है लोगों ने, कोई बताता नहीं है कुछ. Because the easiest thing is, you ring up army this thing कि यार वो कहीं न कहीं से ले आएंगे, as if we have that magic wand. Because the resources in army are also not, you know, unlimited. हाँ, unlimited. And they are meant. देखिए, जब तक आप वो कहते हैं ना कि money is sweeter than honey. Because and everything, you know, जो कहते हैं पैसा नहीं है पास और मेला लगे उदास. तो जब पैसा है ही नहीं आपके पास, तो आप कहाँ से लाएंगे? Resources भी तो खरीदे जाएंगे. अब मैं आपसे आज कार मांग लेता हूँ कि यार देना जरा, you know, my mother is not well. आप कहोगे जी ये चाहिए ले जाओ. आप 2 दिन तक ये भी नहीं पूछोगे कि यार वो कार कहाँ है मेरी, because you will think यार बंदा डिस्ट्रेस में है. तीसरे 4 दिन पूछोगे कि माता जी की तबीयत ठीक है, तो उसको भी याद आ गया यार चाबी वापस कर दी. दूसरी बार फिर दे दोगे, तीसरी बार कहोगे यार तुम्हारा तो रोज का ही धंधा है. So it is always better to have your own people, and we have the same goal. It is not that you know, they are my people, your people, or his people. We are higher level of response to disaster management. This is very, very important, because people, they just say यार हमने तो उनको बता दिया. I understand that, you know, like what Dr. Rao was telling, that the district collector and all, they are very, very, you know, busy people. But some other people can be, you know, they can be told that, okay, you take on this responsibility, or you be in communication and so and so. Or whenever you are doing some kind of selection, there is also this thing that some ex-servicemen people or some people from communication and all, they can be selected, or at least they can be identified. But like he was unwell, we knew that there is a doctor, the problem got sorted out. अब वैसे ही अब किसी से पूछते हैं तो मैं एनासिन बोलता, ये क्रोसिन बोलते, वो कोई मेटासिन बोलते. So if you have, you know, such kind of resources, at least utilize them. कहते हैं ना कि दुनिया जहान से हम वो करते रहते हैं, लेकिन जिसके पास जाना हो उसके पास नहीं जाते। वील कीप टेलिंग, जैसे व्हाट्सएप पे कुछ करना हो, क्योंकि जो मन की बात है व्हाट्सएप पे तो कह देते हैं, पर जो मन की बात कर रहा है वहां तक तो पहुंचती नहीं। Then when called, quick, effective and positive response. There should be a quick response. You cannot, take your own sweet time. You cannot. Or you cannot say कि नहीं sir हो रहा है. I'll give you an example. Gaya, there was heavy rains. There was a colony, नीचे एक JJ cluster था, तो वहाँ वो कुछ पहाड़ी वाड़ी हिल गई. So a request came from Bihar government के we want some engineer efforts कि otherwise they can जाएंगे and there can be lot of casualties and so we moved engineer regiment from Ranchi. 2 companies we moved. When they reached there, they moved. वहाँ उनको किसी ने JCBs या earth movers नहीं दिए. 2 दिन तक वो बैठे ही रहे. General Gupta was there that time. So we kept on interacting with people कि यार बताओ कहाँ जाना है, कुछ तो दिलाओ इनको. वो कहते सर करा रहे हैं, वो करा रहे हैं, ये करा रहे हैं. हमने कहा यार तुम वापस जाओ. जब वापस चले गए तो अगेन दे रहेंगे मिनिस्ट्री से, फिर आया why they have gone back. I said कब तक बैठे रहते. And is it a difficult thing to get for a district collector or for a SDM or for any other officer to get some JCBs for a common cause? But that will is not there. It is lacking. Because they think यार ये मेरा काम नहीं है, कोई और है, हमने तो इनको खबर कर दिया, अभी ठीक है. Then proper documentation of operations, expenditure details. You see, proper documentation should be there. Because whenever you carry out these studies, lessons learned, ये PDNAs, they don't get translated into actions. Instead of lessons learned, we should have lessons applied. How many lessons have been applied? Again, फिर हम वहीं, we are back to square one. So we have to have, lessons learned, lessons applied, and results thereof, so that we don't repeat those things. And honors and awards is okay. Then, we must recognize people. You see, why Britishers ruled us for so many years, or ruled almost the better part of the world? Because they always believed in one thing: that praises are wages. They always rewarded. And in Nepal earthquake also, in Uttarakhand also, I appreciate the Air Force people, I am telling you. तो फौजी आदमी तो अपना काम में लगा रहता है, उसको कभी वो होता नहीं है, टाइम नहीं होता है. आप बिलीव नहीं करोगे when we said कि अच्छा let's have we asked the Joint Transport Commander कि let's have citations of people who have done good job. वो बंदे गए, उन्होंने पेन ड्राइव निकाला, बोला सर ये, मतलब वो कोट के बटन ले गए थे, उन्होंने कहा सर इस पे आप कोट लगा दीजिए. And like some people said here, they are extra smart or they are this thing. I said no, they are the right people. They came prepared. They went with a with a resolution and with that resolve. Yes, I will do a good job, and here is my citation, which I richly deserve. So we must always look after these subordinates, those who have done a good job, because when they get rewarded, you will automatically get rewarded. Like what once, Field Marshal Manik Shah, he was attending a meeting in South Block. So there was a meeting going on. He was also sitting as the army chief. Some, I think, defense secretary or somebody came. He must be knowing the incident. So he came. So सर्दी का time था ऐसे ही. So the defense secretary said, Colonel साहब बैठे थे. He says, Colonel, can you just close that window? Manik Shah, he heard it. So he said, I beg your pardon, defense secretary. He says, I will close the window. You can't tell a colonel of the Indian Army to close the window. He's a senior officer. He says, I will do it for you. So that is the kind of pride you must take in your subordinates. And everybody knows the chief of the army staff is any day much higher. But that is the kind of pride people take. That is called leadership. Whether you are in a business leadership or military leadership or in civil leadership. That is the kind of leadership. You also must have heard whether he was the only person when he had gone to Natula. It is written in that book. There was a Major Saab. He had some discussion with him on deployment of a weapon, which is the likely approach. So he says, sir, this. So he said, I don't think. So जनरली हर जगह यही होता है कि अगर आप गैस के ऊपर पतीला रख दो तो पतीला गर्म होना चाहिए, अक्सर चमचे गर्म हो जाएगा. So वहाँ वही हुआ. How can you argue with the general साहब this and that? No. So he said, sir, मैं मेजर साहब हूँ, ये एरिया मेरा है, मुझे मालूम है कि दुश्मन यहाँ से है. And this is the most likely approach. They had some discussion and finally the general left. He was an army commander. So when he left, so obviously, if you have had an argument or this thing, everybody napoed him. By then, General Manekshaw had moved as army chief from Calcutta. So once the result was put up, the promotion committee ka jo result tha, so he saw this officer has been rejected or he has not been promoted. So he took out his red pen and he wrote in that, if this officer can have a difference of opinion with an army commander, he deserves to be a commanding officer. Promote him. So that is leadership. That is the kind of faith you should have. That is the kind of looking after you should do. Looking after, I am not saying in a negative this way, because that's how you must take your team on. Because he's the boss there. General Manekshaw gave a point कि यहाँ से भी हो सकता है, but he was right कि नहीं सर यहाँ ये तो एरिया मेरा है, मुझे मालूम है कि यहाँ से आएगा कि यहाँ से. Now some of the move of relief material we have these are the practical points which we have taken out. On Nepal borders, vehicles carrying relief material was stopped due to lack of Nepalese permit. Insurance coverage, it was not there. Tentative government sanction should be accorded in initial stages by the Ministry of Defence. Now in most of the sanctions which go to the Ministry of Defence writes कि okay, this is because there was a time एक $50,000 की दुशांबे में रिलीफ मटीरियल जाना था, तो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एक्सटर्नल अफेयर्स ने बोला कि मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ डिफेंस टू ट्रांसपोर्ट इट. तो हमने एयरफोर्स से पूछा, उन्होंने लिखा इतने पैसे लगेंगे इफ द एयरक्राफ्ट फ्लाइज अक्रॉस ओवर पाकिस्तान, इफ इट डजंट फ्लाई ओवर पाकिस्तान इतना पैसा लगेगा. तो वहाँ से जॉइंट सेक्रेटरी अगर ही से यार डू यू थिंक दिस मच शुड बी चार्ज, तो मैंने कहा सर वी हैव गिवन बोथ द ऑप्शंस, इसमें इतना लगेगा. तो यार इतना पैसा थोड़ी लगता है, तो मैंने कहा सर रिक्शे से भिजवा देते हैं तो कम में सस्ते में काम हो जाएगा. He says, what are you talking? मैंने कहा सर these are the calculations which have been done by Air Force officers. मैंने कहा you get us permit that you can fly over Pakistan, इतने में हो जाएगा. ये सब मेडिसिन से ज़्यादा खर्चा आ गया. So once you write these things explicitly, people will initially they may feel bad, but it is in good taste. Expenditure on accommodation, transportation of defence personnel. The payment of expenditure on accommodation, transport for officials of defence forces were not clearly specified by Ministry of External Affairs. With the result, people had moved with very limited money. Then they started asking, and it takes very long, to get these sanctions and all. It resulted in an embarrassment to the mission, as the payment to hotels could not be made in time. Clear direction should be issued by Ministry of External Affairs to Ministry of Defence to rule out any ambiguity. Delay in procurement of life-saving and critical items. During crisis, earmarked ministry finds it difficult to locate life-saving products in stock public market. That's why we have recommended that there should be some method in madness. You have to have warehousing facilities. You cannot say, because you have to have a proper organization जिसका काम यही है procurement. कि अच्छा मैंने 2000 कंबल दे दिए, 2000 का procurement action आज से शुरू हो गया. Because you never know दोबारा disaster कब हो जाए. Then you are running कि अच्छा आप अपना कोट उतार के दे दो, इनसे बोलो जर्सी उतार के दे दो. It becomes difficult. The agencies providing these products be sensitized and be available to provide certain quantities at short notice. Like an army, what we have is, like Hindustan, various petrol, these agencies like Bharat Petroleum, Hindustan Petroleum, they have been told to have a thing called CGR, Continued Guaranteed Reserves. That these oil companies will maintain this much of reserve for the Indian Army or for the Navy or for the Air Force. And they are inspected by the army officers every quarter and a report is rendered. Yes, they are being maintained. So similarly for disaster management, what Anjali was also telling, that we must have, certain kind of reserves. If we are not having warehousing facilities, we should tell कि यार अभी क्या होता है, वही रेड क्रॉस है, वही आर्मी है, वही 4-6 पेट बंदे हैं, उन्हीं से कह दो कि भाई तुम आओ. So we must have, चलो आप इंडस्ट्री से कुछ करो पार्टनरशिप कि ठीक है, ओके, फ्रॉम लुधियाना कोई कंबल वाली कंपनी है कि यार तुम हमारे लिए इतने बना के रखो, we don't want to this thing, we will pick it up and give you the payment. Establishment of relief material, coordination shall by NDA. Accumulation of relief material, I have already told you this point, so we will not labor on it. Communication, again, the Indian MSC satellite phone became functional only after 2-3 days after the disaster took place. So 2-3 days time is आजकल बहुत. When we were young and the other officers will also bear with me, पहले हम छुट्टी जाते थे तो पहले जाते थे 3-4 दिन तो वैसे ही लगते थे कहीं पहुंचने में, फिर वहाँ से चिट्ठी लिखते थे, फिर घर में चिट्ठी 7 दिन बाद आती थी, 7 दिन बाद जवाब आता था. अभी आप देखो, अभी आप एयरक्राफ्ट अभी टच डाउन ही किया है, एक तो टच डाउन करते ही सब खड़े हो जाते हैं, सभी टेलीफोन खोल लेते हैं, और अभी वो टैक्सी कर रहा होता है एयरक्राफ्ट तो कई तो ऐसे खड़े हो जाते हैं. तो मैंने बोला क्या स्लिदर करोगे, कैसे जाओगे, अभी तो दरवाजे खुलेंगे. So the patience threshold has become very very thin. हर आदमी को that instant, जब से ये मैगी वाला जमाना आया है, हर आदमी को he wants 2-minute culture. It is so 2-3 days for communication people cannot get. वो जमाने बदल गए. So your response has to also be remodified or re-engineered. There should be robust and survivable communication system with power backup with Indian Embassy. Relief material. Then tendency to send items not required but available should be curbed. So at tarmac level or at a relief camp level, you must segregate chef from the meat. नहीं है, हमारे यहाँ अभी भी 19 करोड़ लोग ऐसे हैं जो भूखे सोते हैं. At least in that Delhi area में that food can be given to them rather than wasting it or कहीं और उसको डालने. So distribution of relief material, the Nepalese government decision to centrally control all distribution was necessary, or else various agencies would have distributed relief selectively as per their perceived interest. So you should know कि भाई कहाँ क्या जाना चाहिए. Air transportation during airlift, this I think point I have already told you. Single point of control, this also we have discussed. Media, Indian media earned a negative image. We have already discussed. फालतू के सवाल कई बार पूछते हैं, बंदा फंसा पड़ा है नीचे कैसा लग रहा है. कोई वहाँ कोई सत्संग में तो बैठा नहीं. So there is no point asking. Then we do not, हम occurrence बता तो देते हैं, या पूरे दिन हम मीडिया पे दिखा देंगे एक बकरी ने 6 बच्चे दिए, पूरे दिन वही चलता रहेगा. ये नहीं बताएंगे कि यार वो सिचुएशन कैसे स्टेबलाइज हुई या वहाँ रिलीफ पहुँचा कि नहीं पहुँचा. इन फौनी you see the relief could not reach people because जो बंदा वहाँ पहुँचने वाला है वो कहता है जी आपकी ये बोट रजिस्टर्ड है तब तो आपको रिलीफ मिलेगा, नहीं तो नहीं मिलेगा। अब बताइए जो मछुआरा है, जो पढ़ा लिखा है, उसने तो रजिस्टर कराई होगी, या जिसने लोन लिया होगा, जिसको जो गरीब है हमारी तरह, उसने क्या कहीं से किसी से सेकंड हैंड ली होगी या कुछ लिया होगा, ही मस्ट हैव लॉन्च्ड दिस थिंग, अपनी रोजी रोटी कमा रहा होगा, तो वो कहाँ रजिस्ट्रेशन के लिए भागेगा?
डिस्ट्रिक्ट डायरेक्टर वाज आस्क्ड कि भाई कितने गांव वालों ने आधार कार्ड बनाया है,
हाँ।
एंड एवरीबॉडी सेड बनाया है,
हाँ।
तो बोला दिखाओ,
हाँ।
पैसा लेने के लिए, देयर वाज नो आधार कार्ड।
So, you have such kind of problems. And as an officer, you see, that's why I gave you that example of General Manekshaw. You all are going to hold very, very important assignments. Use your prudence. I am telling you, kuch nahi hota. I had a brigadier, I am telling you, I was a colonel under him. He took on a cabinet minister head on. He says, I am the commander of, and he retired as a lieutenant general. There were some dog bite cases. He ordered, and he said, yes, I have done it, and I don't mind. And he was such a strong chap. कोई decision होता था, then we used to say कि sir, ये तो I think the इसमें costing. He says, यार, as long as I am not taking anything home, he says, I don't mind going home. कहते घर ही तो भेज देंगे ना, पर मुझे तो मालूम है कि मैं अपने घर नहीं ले गया, मैंने I have taken this interest in government. Then media indemnity bonds, again command and control we have already discussed. Now some common lessons, early warning at the lowest level, it should be done. I have told you that people, robust communication, we have readily available. Disaster really breaks, there are 10 of them, 9 are defunct. I already told 2008, no money is coming to Ministry of Defence. The cases have gone up. Why I keep laboring this point is that if you are in, somewhere in decision making, you can break up this issue. At least the community will get benefited. Maximum employment of NDRF resources. If they have got these 250 crores, this should be committed first. ये नहीं हो कि मेरी तनख्वाह तो अभी बैंक में पड़ी है, उसकी मैंने FD करा दी, and then I say अरुण यार 5,000 रुपए देंगे. That should not be. Relief material coordinated cell by NDRF at the base airport, it has been done. The director level officers is now detained. And relief material sharing of information. ये एक बड़ी बीमारी है. You see, we hardly share any information. That's why in IDS there is a conference which takes place when the DCMG is activated, and a SITREP is made which is given to everybody. Even NDMA, वहाँ के भी रह पाते हैं NDRF, सबको दिया जाता है. So that everybody is on the common platform. Otherwise वही अहम और वहम. पहली बात तो अहम कि मैं क्यों दूँ, क्योंकि I am senior to Arun. दूसरा वहम यार ये पूछ क्यों रहा है, कोई दाना तो नहीं ना. Nomination of the earmarking of Joint Task Force Commander. You see, the people who should be like what Dr. Saab was also telling, that span of control should also be taken into factor. Then the scalar chain should be there. ये नहीं हो कि जैसे किसी स्टेट में 5 डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर हैं, कि मैं भी रानी तू भी रानी, अब कौन भरेगा पानी? So somebody has to, somebody has to work. Exact location and number of persons evacuation. You should know कि coordinates. कई बार क्या होता है कि आर्मी में आपसे पूछा जाएगा. They will ask, अच्छा Colonel Verma tells Brigadier Devrani कि अच्छा यार launch to, तो उसने कहा launch where? Coordinate. अब it becomes very difficult for him. He being in uniform, he knows. But he doesn't want to waste time, so he's just giving an early warning. फिर थोड़ी देर बाद पूछेगा, बोला सर कोई coordinates मिले क्या? And sometimes he'll say, यार ये क्या बंदा है? So just to avoid embarrassment, we should understand everybody's language. Pre-sanction of expenditure by armed forces, we must have pre-sanction. Acclimatization of rescue teams and workers, like a lot of people who have pumped into high altitude areas, they had medical problems. So it should be curbed, and reporting of to lead ministry service and all rescue and relief teams. Whenever you are giving it to media, give a printed this thing, take their signature. This is what we do. I said this information we are giving, एक दस्तखत करो. You may be from आज तक, कल तक, परसों तक, वो सब लेगा. लेकिन दस्तखत करो. Because otherwise बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है. Picture gas is. This child was saved. Thank you. I finished. There's one, 2 minutes more to go. If you have any questions, you're most welcome to ask.
I'll just share experience with two international relief operations
Yeah,
I have handled.
please do.
Bangladesh and Indonesia. Bangladesh is a very peculiar problem, sir.
Okay.
I was nominated as the airport cell which you
Acha,
just
acha,
shown,
okay, okay.
director level, so I was that director level.
हाँ
The entire bricks came to the tarmac
okay.
bulk,
हाँ जी.
and now you have to break it on the tarmac
हाँ.
where the pilot has to stand his plane. So how do you break it? And with whom do you break it? I am the only person, and 80 tons have to be broken.
हाँ.
How do you break it?
It's not a small. No.
Time given, aircraft will be here at so and so time. Globemaster, it cannot land at the distant airport
Yeah.
called as Chittagong.
हाँ.
So Globemaster landed at some other airport, and he says that relief material has to be transported by road. And do you contact in Bangladesh? कि please हमारा 100 truck relief material वहाँ भेजना है. And in our exuberance, we want that friendship Maitri thing also to be written from friends of the government of India to the friends of people of Bangladesh. All that has to be written on 80 tons of bags. तो ये सारा pre-planning तो है नहीं.
You see, these are the practical problems of IRS.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, sir.
Sir, what language MNMC understand?
You see,
Because we have this IRS and US and America and
if you see the IRS system, generally the terminology is being carried out from the defense. And generally they speak, so they, like in this case in Nepal earthquake, the Indian Army was given the responsibility along with the Nepalese Army to maintain this. So the all other, donor countries which had come, the 31 countries, so they were again, told that these are the terminologies which we are using, or these are the this thing. And initially they were given those leaflets, that this is how you should communicate with us, this is how you should give it. So
For the use of Nepalese military assets, for example,
they were used,
I mean about their own advanced landing fields or something.
they were used, but they were, it's not a very advanced country, because Nepal, Pokhara I told you, so वो फिर उसको functional किया and then they won it.
So you carried the naval personnel from Nepalese army and Nepalese air force also along with your.
Yeah, we took them as guides,
And in the second case, Indonesia, in our exuberance again we sent generators without fuel.
Yeah, ये बड़ी problem होती है.
Aircrafts will not take fuel.
हाँ,
No aircraft will take fuel.
yeah.
So how do you send fuel? Ship से भेजेंगे तो 3 disaster खत्म हो जाएंगे सर.
इसका अभी amendment आ गया है now. Like if the ammunition can go, because after this, now the government section has come, that you can manifest, because the Air Force guy said, no, I will not. So now the amendment has come, they will
So
take.
we sent 36 generators, 30 kVA,
हाँ.
but no fuel.
No fuel.
वो सब खड़े वहाँ पर tarmac पे.
Aerial refuel also. Fuel refuel also. Aerial refuel also.
इस पे उसमें जाता है ना, ड्रम पे और इसमें. ये बाउंसर्स जाते हैं
So
उसमें.
in case to
So
operate.
now these sending of relief materials were being improving also like Kerala.
हाँ.
The department demanded to need only need this.
Yeah,
When I went to Bhuj earthquake and tsunami time, there were lots of old things were there.
yeah.
And there was ton of clothes lying in the railway station. And the government find very difficult to clear those
Yeah,
old
it
things.
becomes very difficult. So,
But now the Kerala flood they have mentioned and Kerala government पूरा check हुआ है कि वही material है इतना ही
yeah,
है.
definitely.
Otherwise they were turning back to hमें नहीं चाहिए.
नहीं चाहिए. So that's a very, another good.
Indonesia said we want certified halal meat. India does not produce certified halal meat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's why those, country
We want
specific, regional
WHO,
specific.
WHO certified medicines. We
Like
don't
Burma में
produce
यही हुआ था.
WHO
Burma में, the additional secretary she called me. तो मैंने कहा मैडम ऐसा वहाँ आटा भेज दो आप तो वो मिसी रोटी थोड़ी खाएंगे वो. So मैंने कहा we have to send
Certified.
Yeah.
certified.
Yes.
This is particularly to the earthquake situation. This is an immediate response. Immediate response when the earthquake has happened. So just before it happened, they have used that this primary waves. When it is generated, the primary waves, when it they send the primary waves, immediately there are all these trains, high-speed trains.
Yeah.
They are immediately set a signal and
Yeah, they
switch
stop,
off immediately.
they stop, yeah, they stop.
This is what the technology.
नहीं, हमारे यहाँ कल्चर थोड़ा उल्टा है. हमारे यहाँ जैसे कोई हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट हो जाए तो बाकी जगह तो लोग आते हैं कि यू नो दे विल गेट फ्लावर्स, दे विल गेट यू सम चॉकलेट्स, दे विल गेट यू सम यू नो मनी आल्सो. हमारे यहाँ जैसे कोई एडमिट हो जाता है, हाँ साहब मेरे चाचा जी भी ऐसे ही उनकी डेथ हो गई. तीसरा आएगा कि हाँ हमारे पापा जी तो बड़े जल्दी चले गए. वो बंदा सोचता है कि यार ये तो यू नो वी हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंकिंग. चलो IRS आई थिंक विल नाउ गो फॉर हायर.
While operating on the field in Nepal, did you carry precaution measures in case there's a secondary wave coming in or a secondary disaster happening?
Yeah. Yes. And there was a IFS officer, Priyanka Chauhan. She did a wonderful job. She was an IFS officer. She was looking after Nepal desk. Great job. So thank you very much for this because I thought I'll share these practical inputs and I'll close it with a good share. सुन लो आप, कईयों को शायद न पसंद हो. जिंदगी शतरंज के मानित बैठी है.
सर एक सेकंड.
हाँ जी.
ऐसे नहीं सुनाओगे सर.
You are the media officer. जिंदगी शतरंज के मानित बैठी है. अगर खेल का तजुर्बा न हो तो मात लाजमी है. So you should know your system, you should know your organization because you never know किस रूप में भगवान मिल जाए. Thank you very much and I hope you enjoyed it and
Lunch.
it was of some value to you. Thank you. We'll have lunch.
Lunch.